Okay, Liz Ann Sullivan summary. She's got a 3-port booster there, heating timer for ground floor, first floor and hot water. The ground floor and first floor both do the same thing, they both call the boiler. There's no difference and there's no controls in the manifold. As we can see from the schematic diagram here, with the flow goes to the hot water cylinder into the mixing valve, and then it just goes off to the two manifolds with no pump controls or no valve controls between the two of them, so therefore this can do nothing except call the boiler. Looking at the boiler, it's a Baxi gas boiler, and we have the flow coming out here, and then the flow in return going off up to the hot water, and then this flow for the heating comes into this mixing system. It's a with WITA system, and it's controlled by this box here, which is a WAK 100-1, and it's of the, as I said earlier, space shuttle variety, where it does 100 things and it's trying to do lots of things that it shouldn't be trying to do. All it should be doing is controlling the mixing valve, but it's got hot water temperature here and that does nothing. It's got a heating program here which we absolutely don't need, it only complicates it, and normal temperature, which is some kind of room temperature control, and that actually works well in that if you turn it down it stops the mixing valve output. But I'm not aware of any sensor in the house for that. And then it's the actual heating curve one that adjusts the flow temperature out of the mixing valve, which is around 40-45 degrees, and the sensor is there, the mixing system. In addition, there's this system link thing here which has Z1, Z2 and power on it. I'm not sure exactly how that's all wired up, but that's probably meant to call the boiler. I didn't explore that any further, but if we need to do the programmable stats and have it all the individual zones calling that, we just have to explore that a little further. There's a multi-core from the ground floor manifold, and that's feeding back to this area here. I just paused it with my tracker. Okay, that's it in the overall system.